Okay, so we're going to have a bit of a spit roast. How long have you had this?
This little fire pit?
Yeah.
I had a good couple of years now, actually.
All right, it's stainless steel.
Yes, stainless steel. Cost me 11 quid.
Right, so Lou's going to set that up. And then I'm going to set up the spit roast, and we're going to have a roast. Well, hopefully, if it all comes together and it doesn't get... It's got a little bit windy. Just show you where we are. Tide's coming in. It's been a beautiful day. It still is a beautiful day. So, yeah, we're going to have a go at doing a full spit roast duck. I don't know what the... what do you call it when you have stuff with it? Entrees? Or is that a stupid word?
I don't know. Sides?
Side? This is how intelligent we are, aren't we? Whatever you call it, you can leave that in the comment down below.
Yeah.
What you call something, entree. That's the intestines, isn't it? It doesn't matter. Let's get this going and we'll get back to you in a sec. Okay, so our male firelighting skills have still not failed us. We did cheat a little bit, didn't we? No, we didn't. No, we didn't.
That's...
Lewis rubbed his hands together that fast, it caused friction, didn't it?
Well, I just said that, yeah.
Good. Okay, next job, fire up the spit roast. Right, so we've got it going. We hired it up on stones to get it right. We couldn't get the poles any deeper because there's bricks underneath. But she's working all right, it's doing all right. This is that. So we supported that end with bricks. This rotisserie, I have no idea. I bought it offline. I went to put a link in the description down below, but I couldn't find it again. So I think you just need to put in outdoor barbecue rotisserie or something. When I bought it, I think there was pieces missing, hence the price. So I had to manufacture that on a lathe. Just show you my skills off, as you do. Anyway, sun's out. Going to get some wine and some ciders. We're going to sit down, chill, and just watch the bird go round. Literally. Ooh, look at that. She's starting to cook and drip. Got some heat. You can see it glistening. Tip it onto the fire. Ooh, it's changing colour. Oh, look at that. Oh, the fat dripping into the fire. So then it's cooking in its own fat. So essence of duck. Well, we've got the wine out. We're with the family, so we're just going to sit here. Look at that. Look at that browning off beautifully. So we're sitting here with the family having a bit of a bevy and a bit of a chat. What could be better? Watching the duck go round in circles. So this is the view that we have from my deck chair, sitting down on the beach. Watching that.
Yeah, the view behind as well.
I have, yeah, it's lovely, isn't it? This is the view behind. Well, Houston, we have a problem. It seems to have, oh, it's got even worse. It's shrunk, and the one of the pins have come out. Look. So anyway, it's fine. It's fun. It's cooking beautifully. Now watch this. Watch this. Ready? Going round. Drop. You can't go anywhere. Look at that. Because we had to stop.
Oh, that's crispy.
Oh, that's gorgeous. Let's see if it drops. Just wait a second. That we're all right. Looks like we're all right.
That's better. That's more controlled, isn't it?
That's all right. It's okay. It's not fell. Is it? Is it? Oh,
It's moved again.
yeah.
Oh,
Right. Switch it on. Oh, gone straight through the leg, Lewis.
yeah.
Is it going? Is it doing it? Is it doing it? Watch this.
Hold it.
Oh yeah, that's done it. Right, let's crack on. Heaven on a spit. Okay, so we've lost one of the pins on the other side. I turned it the wrong way. That's fell into the barbecue. Do not try and get it back out. And we've just tightened the other, well, Lewis has just tightened up the other end. It's always alright because it started to just stay in one spot and spin. So, yeah. It's a good spit roast, but it needs a little bit of modification. Hence probably the price. Yeah, okay. Look at that though. Oh, I can't wait.
Good.
Yeah.
So we're just moving it so that it lines up. That looks good. Look at that. So here, this stuff, which is samphire. It's really expensive to syndicate in restaurants.
Yeah.
And all you do is just you can cook it or you can even eat it as it is. Oh, it's really nice. I'm inundated with it here, but it's just coming through now, so it's just the beginning of the season. You see that? Let me just zoom in. I'll get you. There we go. Samphire, it's called, isn't it?
Yep, samphire.
And there's loads of it here, and it's edible and it's beautiful. Here we go. Sorry. There you go. Lovely. There we go. Look at this. Absolutely abundance of it. Oh, new fresh twigs there. Okay, we're calling that quits. I think we're done. She's looking beautiful. What do you think? Yeah?
It looks dead.
Look at that. I think we're going to call that quits, take it up. We're going to cut it up. What are we having it with, Kate?
Noodles.
Noodles. We're going to have this with noodles, okay? Right, that's it. We're going to, I'll take it off the spit, stop it, and when next we catch up, we're going to cut it up and... okay, cooked to perfection. I've just cut it up in the van. Kate is just dishing it out into each bowl with avocado. What else we're in? Noodles?
Noodles. Plum
Noodles.
sauce.
And plum sauce. Look at this. Oh, you God, look how it's gorgeous, isn't it?
You can see who's the panickety one. There.
Hey?
You can see who the panickety one is. That's me there.
Fine. You have the nice bits. Look at them. Alright, and then drizzle on some plum sauce, yeah?
Shouldn't be mean. Come on, doggo.
Just going to drizzle a little bit of plum sauce. Oh, look at that. Lewis, plum sauce?
Too late.
Good night.
Yeah.
Who wants to taste it? And I'll film you.
Are you having chopsticks? Are you? Go on then. Lewis and his chopsticks.
All
I'm
right.
going chopsticks in.
Lewis is the chief taster. Tell me what you think. If you say what I think you're going to say,
Needs garlic.
I knew you were going to say. Is it all right?
It's all right. Yep, that's cooked.
That'll do.
good.
Brilliant. Okay, thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video on the duck spit roast, Look at her over there.
She's gone.
Yeah, please give it a like and a thumbs up. That would be fantastic. And we will definitely catch you in the next video. All the best.